Welcome back. In this video, we're walking you step by step through how to waterproof an exposed balcony or podium designed for pedestal systems using Forspec protective coatings. This is a general demonstration only and should always be followed alongside the manufacturer's specifications. Preparation is everything. The substrate must be clean, dry, and structurally sound. Remove dust, latents, curing compounds, oils, or old coatings. Fill blowholes or imperfections with non-shrink mortar. Any damaged concrete can be repaired with Actflex Polycrete or Forspec epoxy repair systems. We begin with Actflex EP250 primer. Mix Part A and Part B in a 1:1 ratio by volume. Apply the first coat at 300 microns wet film thickness. If the substrate is porous, mist with clean water first. Apply the second coat at right angles to the first to achieve a total dry film thickness of 0.3 millimeters. Allow at least 24 hours to cure before overcoating. This primer forms an impermeable barrier and withstands hydrostatic pressure up to 250 kilopascals, a 25-meter head of water. At wall-to-floor junctions, corners and penetrations, gun in a 15 by 15 millimeter fillet bead of Actflex MS Pro. Tool smooth to eliminate voids. This flexible Class 3 sealant accommodates movement and strengthens junctions before membrane application. For compressed fiber cement sheeting, reinforce sheet joints with Actflex SA tape. Apply firmly with a roller, overlapping at least 50 millimeters to prevent cracking. Now apply Actflex 101 UV, a UV stable Class 3 copolymer membrane. Use a medium nap roller or brush. Start with corners, then coat walls and floors. Apply at 0.92 millimeters wet film thickness, around 0.6 millimeters dry. Coverage is about 10 square meters per 15-litre pail for 2 coats. Always check with a wet film gauge. Allow 4 to 6 hours drying at 23 degrees before recoating. Apply the second coat of Actflex 101 UV at right angles to the first. Together, 2 coats provide 1.2 millimeters dry film thickness for durability and UV stability. Once cured, the membrane remains flexible, does not re-emulsify, is trafficable after 24 hours, and reaches full cure in 14 days. Before pedestal installation, allow at least 72 hours curing before flood testing to confirm membrane integrity. Once cured, Actflex 101 UV delivers a durable, UV-resistant, Green Star compliant system for exposed podiums and balconies. When installing paver pedestals, place rubber protection pads under each pedestal. This prevents point loading damage and extends membrane service life. This is the Forspec system for exposed balconies and podium slabs under pedestal systems. With Actflex EP250, Actflex MS Pro, and Actflex 101 UV, you achieve compliance with AS 465, 4.1 standards and long-term durability in harsh conditions.